Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open Uber Eats delivery account in the UK. To do this, the first things we're going to need is open the Uber Eats app and click on create account. When that's done, we have the earn money with Uber section where we'll have to enter the area where we want to earn money, which in this case will be the United Kingdom. We will have to choose an exact city. After that, we click to continue and we will have the section to choose how we want to earn with Uber. In this case, we will have several options, but we are going to go where it says delivery, which is part of Uber Eats. For this example, it will be Uber Eats with bicycle. You will click on that and then click continue. After that, we will have a legal consent form that you will have to read, where you have to read everything since you're going to need original image of your documents, such as a valid passport, your bank account, and more information like your email, your name, just your family name, your middle name, and your date of birth, and your bank statement. You will have to accept the terms and well click on accept and continue. Then you will have this section here where you have to enter all this information. In this case, you will have to keep all of this complete. For example, the document identification section, here it will show that you have to take the photo of the front part of your document. You will click on the take photo with my phone. After doing this whole section here, obviously you have to complete all the steps that follow, as well as, for example, our bank account. You're going to have to fill in all that information. So finally, after all of this is complete, you're approved or you can start using Uber Eats to earn money without any problem through delivery. And that's it.